The 2005 National Electrical Code permits the use of thinner nail plates provided they meet specific requirements. These nail plates are generally constructed from a higher strength steel alloy and are listed by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or another similar reputable agency. This listing signifies that the plates have undergone rigorous testing to ensure they provide adequate protection to wiring installed behind them, even with a reduced thickness. Several manufacturers offer these thinner, code-compliant nail plates. Examples include Caddy, Cooper B-Line, Ericsson, Hilti, Ideal Industries, Legrand, Panduit, Thomas, and Betts & Wymald. These manufacturers produce nail plates that meet the updated NEC standards. One of the key features distinguishing these thinner nail plates from their predecessors is their color. Typically, they are manufactured with a yellow coating. This color coding serves as a visual indicator to differentiate them from the thicker nail plates used previously. The yellow color helps electricians and inspectors quickly identify that the installed nail plate meets the 2005 NEC requirements. In addition to the color coding, these thinner nail plates usually feature markings that provide essential information about their compliance and manufacturing details. These markings typically include the UL listing number. The UL listing number is a unique identifier assigned to the product after it has been tested and certified by Underwriters Laboratories. This number allows users to verify the plate's compliance with the relevant safety standards. The markings often include the date of manufacture. The date of manufacture provides a record of when the nail plate was produced. This information can be helpful for tracking product life cycles and ensuring the plate is within its intended service life. When installing these thinner nail plates, it is essential to adhere strictly to the manufacturer's instructions. Proper installation is critical to ensure that the plates provide the required level of physical protection to the wiring behind them. Failing to install the plates correctly can compromise their effectiveness and potentially lead to electrical hazards. The manufacturer's instructions typically outline the recommended methods for securing the nail plates to wood framing members. This includes specifying the appropriate type and size of fasteners to use, as well as the correct spacing between fasteners. The instructions may also provide guidance on the proper placement of the nail plate in relation to the wiring it is intended to protect. It is important to ensure that the nail plate completely covers the area where the wiring is located and that it is securely fastened to the framing member. The NEC requires that electrical wiring be protected from physical damage where it passes through or is installed near wood framing members. Nail plates are commonly used to provide this protection. These plates are typically installed over the wiring where it passes through studs, joists, or rafters. The purpose of the nail plate is to prevent nails or screws from penetrating the wiring and causing a short circuit or other electrical hazard. The 2005 NEC introduced changes to the requirements for nail plates, allowing for the use of thinner plates made of higher strength steel. This change was intended to reduce the amount of material required for nail plates while still providing adequate protection to the wiring. The NEC specifies the minimum thickness and strength requirements for nail plates. These requirements are intended to ensure that the plates are capable of withstanding the forces that may be applied to them during normal construction and use. When selecting nail plates for an electrical installation, it is important to choose plates that meet the requirements of the NEC and that are listed by a recognized testing laboratory. It is also important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing the plates. The NEC provides specific requirements for the installation of electrical wiring in various types of buildings and structures. These requirements are intended to ensure that electrical installations are safe and reliable. The NEC is updated every 3 years to reflect changes in technology and best practices. It is important for electricians and other electrical professionals to stay up to date on the latest changes to the NEC. The use of listed nail plates is an important part of ensuring the safety of electrical installations. By using listed plates and following the manufacturer's instructions, electricians can help to prevent electrical hazards and protect people and property from harm. There are a few important considerations when using these thinner nail plates that meet the 2005 NEC. Firstly, ensure the nail plate is listed by a recognized testing laboratory like UL. This listing ensures the plate has been tested and meets the required standards for protection. Secondly, always follow the manufacturer's installation instructions. Proper installation is crucial for the nail plate to provide adequate protection to the wiring. This includes using the correct fasteners and ensuring the plate is securely attached to the framing member. Thirdly, be aware of the color coding. The yellow color typically indicates that the nail plate meets the 2005 NEC requirements for thinner plates. However, always verify the listing and markings to confirm compliance. Fourthly, regularly inspect nail plates for any signs of damage or corrosion. Damaged or corroded nail plates should be replaced immediately to ensure continued protection of the wiring. Fifthly, when working with electrical wiring, always follow safe work practices. This includes energizing the circuit before working on it and using appropriate personal protective equipment. The 2005 NEC allows for the use of thinner nail plates made of tougher steel and listed by a recognized testing laboratory. Several manufacturers produce these plates, which are typically yellow in color and marked with the UL listing number and date of manufacture. Proper installation according to the manufacturer's instructions is essential to ensure the required level of support and protection. By following these guidelines, electricians and other electrical professionals can ensure the safety and compliance of electrical installations using these thinner nail plates.